areas in our software that is a real convenience is our scheduler. And you can have the scheduler as a free option whether you buy the program or not. So keep that in mind. But our scheduler is located right here on the main screen. You click on this calendar. And then you go to the browse and click on appointments. So our scheduler will display your schedules by the day, and you can see we have some by the day here, or by the week, or by the month. You can go in and take a look at the individual schedules for the month. So to add a schedule, all you need to do is double click on the day you want to add the schedule, put the time in that you're going to work on that vehicle, how long it's going to take approximately, pick the customer, and you can always add the customer from here, and you can pick the technician that's going to work on it, and down here you can put down what you're doing. Okay, so you can see we have schedules on Monday, schedules on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and next week on Wednesday. And so if you want to see what those are, you can either click on the individual schedule, or you can go look at your weekly schedule. You can go through the week here, and then the times up and down, or you can look at the schedule for the day. So that's how easy it is to use the scheduler. It will replace a lot of paper on your desk and make it real easy for you to work with. And when you're done with the scheduler, you can just shrink it and put it on the bottom of your screen and bring it back up anytime you need it. So enjoy the scheduler, and thank you.